Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are up a little bit. Beans may be up about a penny at 8.29, 2 cents in the corn at 3.96, 7 cents in Chicago July wheat around the 4.79 area. Looks like the Dow's going to open up 250 points lower. Concern about the stalled talks between the U.S. and China may weigh on the equities. The main thing in the grains, we continue to add a little weather premium. Overnight, parts of South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Kansas, southern Iowa, all of Missouri, all of Illinois, and eastern North Dakota saw anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain. The forecast over the next 7 days is pretty much those areas, especially Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, and northwest Illinois, will receive 1 to 5 inches of rain. Most of the Midwest will see an inch of rain. Those areas I mentioned will see up to 5 inches of rain. So again, the wettest areas will not get much of a break. And we continue to raise the ideas that U.S. farmers will not be able to plant the corn that they intended. The yields may not be as good because of the late start, and that's kind of bringing down the carryout. So we'll just see how much more premium the market wants to get. A few brokers sent me an email this morning and said, how high is high for D's corn and November beans by the end of May? My thought process is 435 if it continues to rain, and we still have like 20% of the corn and bean crop or more beans than that still left to plant in the month of June. And then as far as the beans, I mean, they're kind of a follower. A lot of negative overhead resistance because of the lack of U.S.-China trade, but we could see 875 in the November beans. As far as today, we got export sales. Again, usually those numbers are down because lack of China business and competition out of South America for the beans. So we're looking at 100 to 500,000 tons of wheat as we begin to start a new marketing year. Corn, combined old and new, 250 to maybe 900,000 tons. And old and new beans, 100 to 400,000 tons. Yesterday, funds sold a little wheat. They bought corn, they bought beans, they bought meal, they bought oil. Still looking to be about 60,000 short in the wheat, 129,000 short in the corn, 160 in the beans, 36 in the meal, and 77 in the oil. We will be watching out of Washington. Supposedly there's a meeting today in the White House to discuss farm aid and to see the main thing they want to do is make sure it doesn't impact what farmers are planning to plant in 2019. So we'll just see how that comes out. So again, weather is the dominant feature. Funds are covering some of their shorts. We'll be watching to see what news comes out of the White House concerning farm aid. And there's really no energy right now to resolve the U.S. and China trade issue. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.